Before I would even start reviewing this film, I want you guys to promise me a few things. That you see life as a beautiful gift, something that you would never reject. Marks, fame, relationship might let you down in life, but be thankful that this beautiful gift doesn't have any illness. Be thankful that you had parents who gave you this gift. Be thankful that you were indeed a beautiful gift. Few things I honestly got to admit. I would have gone ahead and skipped this movie if it wasn't for Sushant. Mainly because it's a remake and I'm not a fan of remakes. But ironically, I was left speechless. Although this was an adaptation, the beautiful connect this movie gives is magical. It's very difficult to interpret what a person is going through when he has a prolonged illness and he is counting his days. They live in their own world and would have themselves designed their short journey. This film turns out to be a winner with just its duration itself. 1 hour 50 minutes of screenplay is just simple and perfect. Sushant as Manny and Sanjana as Kizzy have totally lived the characters of the book. Sushant's entry in the film makes you eliminate all the negative thoughts. It's so refreshing and makes you think, why Sushant? Just why? Manny's way of life and his persona is such an inspiration to anyone. The movie just doesn't waste any time and starts off with Kizzy Basu as the narrator, stating that she has thyroid cancer. In no time, Emmanuel Rajkumar Jr. aka Manny turns up, and you realize this would be an emotional watch for the fact you know. Even the stone-hearted would have pumped some tears out. The way Sushant lives his character made me see Sushant's real passion as an actor, now sadly wasted. Honestly, when I saw the movie MS Dhoni, I seriously didn't even know who Sushant is. But that performance he put up didn't even give me a chance to think a replacement for him. Dialogues written are heart-touching and debut direction done by Mukesh Chabra is really matured and a major plus point. Few more minutes into the story, Manny reveals he has bone cancer, yet keeps you smiling with the charm he throws. Meanwhile, there is Kizzy's favorite song which is incomplete and she wants to badly meet the writer so that she can hear the completed song. A.R. Rahman definitely knows where to play the strings and is the main culprit for you being emotional. The Egg Therapy, Manny's discussion with Kizzy's father, attending one's own funeral are the trump cards of this movie. Well, concluding this review, if Sushant had at least 1% of intent as Manny had in this movie, he would have lived on to cement a stronger place in the industry.